back to the Wise Choice channel. Today I will be doing real Jamaican stew peas. Right here I have my stew beef or beef stew. I know everybody do not eat the pig, but I have my pigtail here soaking off. Some red peas in the water also soaking, and this will be my seasoning, my scallion, my thyme, couple cloves of garlic, my pimento, and my scotch bonnet. So you know we're using the purple onion and the normal onion. So I'll be boiling off the excess salt off the pigtail. So catch you when that's in the pot boiling off. Yeah peeps, as I said before, I'm now boiling off the pigtail for about 10 minutes because the pigtail is extremely salty. It's in a brine salt, so I have to get off that excess salt off it. So as I said before, I'll be boiling this off for about 10 minutes. It's all that white on top of it, that's the excess salt. Won't be needed any salt in the ingredients because the pigtail is salty enough, so that to balance out the salt in the whole stew piece. So check it out when I'm putting everything in to pressure everything. I'll be pressuring the pigtail, the red peas, and the stew beef all together with some garlic. So check that out. Come people, so this is roughly a cup and a half of red peas, which I'll be adding now to the pot for pressuring because these peas are quite hard, so you have to pressure them. Now I'll be adding my pigtail, all scalded off. Looking nice, eh? Yeah. Now I will also be adding my beef stew. Now we're putting in 7 cloves of garlic, chopped. So this will also help with the tenderizing of the meats, the peas, everything, and for flavoring. So I'll be pressuring this now for about 30 minutes. Everything soft and nice, and then I'll let it cook down. So check it when it's cooking down. Yeah my peeps, look at that, all cooking down right now. Wow, that looks so nice. So I'll be adding in my seasoning now. Scotch bonnet pepper, you don't normally cut up the pepper in this, you just add it whole. So add in a yellow scotch bonnet, and I'll be adding also a green scotch bonnet for flavoring. And you know, I have my scallion. My thyme, and my onion and some pimento seeds. Nice. That's how we do it, you know, yardman style. Real Jamaican stew pieces. Yeah, my peeps, so I'll be adding in some spinners. So we do it. You need your flour. And I added some cornmeal in the flour also, because we don't use straight flour, you know. I always add some cornmeal in our flour. And we just put the dough in our hand like that, right? Spin it out. That's how I call them, spinners. Yeah, man. Jamaican style, yardman style. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. Got that, peeps. Looking real good. Wow. Yeah, man. This is how Wise Choice channel and Mr. Wise Choice do it. This is how we do it. And everybody cook them thing different, but this is how Mr. Wise Choice cook real Jamaican stew peas. Yeah, man. It's a good look. Wow. Look at that. Peeps. Wow. Yeah. Real nice. Real nice. Real nice. So, check it out when it's finished cooking. Yeah, my peeps. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Looking real nice. So right now, I'll be adding in real coconut milk. Just give it a very nice flavor and it helps to thicken it also. Wow. Yeah. Yeah, my peeps. That's coconut milk in the stew peas. With my stew beef and my pigtail. Yeah, peeps. Yeah, man, look at that. Wow. Yeah, man, real nice, real nice, real nice, real nice. Real Jamaican stew peas. You don't get it better than this. Wise Choice channel, Mr. Wise Choice. This is how we do it. Yeah, so check it out when it's finished. Yeah, my people, all finish. All finish. Look at that. Look at that. Real nice. Wow, look at that. Wow. Real nice. So, this is Mr. Wise Choice. Jamaican stew peas. Nice, eh? Wow, look at that. Real nice. Yep. That's how we do it. Yeah, my people, so this is the finished product, the plating. This is what I'm going to consume right now. Look at that. Wow, that look real nice, real pretty. And as I said, whoever eat pig or pigtail can always put anything you want in here. Stew peas, you can put chicken, you can put chicken foot if you consume it. Different stuff, it's up to you. But Jamaicans, it's a staple that is pigtail. Most Jamaicans, pigtail and stew beef. So, this is it. This is how Mr. Wise Choice do it, and I want to thank you for watching again. Please like, share and subscribe. Really appreciate it. Until another time. Bye.